What's up guys, it's Code 3 Printing Technology. So for this episode we're going to be unboxing and doing a print and reviewing some Fillamentum PLA ExtraFill filament. This filament was given to us by 3printapart.com. They are a filament company, resin and spare parts for printers. So pretty much any 3D print need you have, you can get it from them. But anyways, we're going to be doing this with Fillamentum filament. So I've never tested this filament out on this channel. We've seen some good reviews but on their website and on other social media sites from users that's tried it. So we're expecting some good results. So this filament company, Fillamentum, is a European company from the Czech Republic. They have some pretty good quality filaments. It's not typically a lower price, a cheaper filament company. It's more towards the medium to higher end market, but it's good filament that's worth the money. So you can see the box here, pretty basic on the front. It just says Fillamentum with addictive polymers or additive, however you want to read it. Got their socials on the back side, basic stuff on the sides, and you also have the filament info on the side right here, temperature, color, tap, etc. So the box is a cardboard box, so we're going to open it up. Inside you can see the filament. Comes with a sticker. Box to the side. So we got an aluminum floor tap covering. So we have to unbox this. So unwrapping the filament is pretty decently wrapped. Spool of black PLA ExtraFill. I'm not exactly sure what the ExtraFill means, but it's pretty much just regular PLA, I believe. And we got a clear spool holding it. So here are some up close shots of the filament. But yeah, so it's pretty clean looking wrap. There's a sort of shininess to the filament. Smooth. Looks like a very good quality filament. So let's get this filament onto the printer and start printing. Okay, so we were going to use one of our printers with Slicer 2.0 for this print, but we're upgrading some and some of them have maintenance issues. So we decided to use a local makerspace that had some 3D printers, and they had a Monoprice Select Mini variant and a Kira Slicer software. So that's what we went with. So this is what we would have done if we had our printer set up and we tweaked some of the settings. Anyways, here's the printer and the finished print. So here we have the printer printing the actual print. We started it and let it run for a little while so you can see the texture and sort of the progression of the print. It's about halfway through progression of filament from the what's already printed to what's currently printing. And so far it looks like it's turned out to be pretty good. It's a good quality and good finish on the print. Okay, so the printer finally finished the print, and here is the finished print. It looks pretty good. You can see the layer lines and smoothness of it Looks really clean and smooth. There's not that many defects in it. An overall well done print. There's probably a few tiny defects in it, but it's probably the printer setup we have going right now. But overall, I would recommend this filament. It prints nice and has a wide variety of colors and filament type options to choose from. It probably won't be the cheapest option if you're living in the United States or Canada or somewhere outside of Europe. But if you want some high quality filament, this would be the option for you. Or if you just live in Europe, this would be a cheaper shipping option for you as well. Overall, I look forward to trying this filament out again, maybe trying some different filament types or different colors out. Anyways, that's gonna wrap up this video for this week. Well, give a thanks to 3-Point Part again for providing us with this filament to test out. And if you like this video and see the right videos first, make sure to give it a thumbs up and click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.